Hi everyone, and welcome to the TunesKit channel. Is your iPhone stuck on the iPhone unavailable screen, with the countdown timer not going down? Normally, you just need to wait until the timer ends, then enter the correct passcode to access your iPhone again. But what if you've been waiting for a long time, and the timer is still stuck? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 7 effective ways to fix this problem. Let's get started. First, let's look at 3 common solutions that may help get the timer working again. Method 1. Force restart your iPhone. A force restart is one of the most reliable ways to clear temporary software glitches that may cause the timer to get stuck. Keep in mind that after restarting, the countdown may start over instead of continuing from where it left off. Method 2. Reinsert the SIM card. Some users have reported that this method works on certain iPhone X series models, which could be related to hardware issues on those devices. First, use a SIM eject tool or a straightened paper clip to open the SIM tray. Remove the SIM card and wait about 30 seconds. Then put the SIM card back into the tray and reinsert it into your iPhone. Wake up the screen and check whether the countdown is working normally again. If your iPhone uses an eSIM, this method won't apply. Method 3. Charge your iPhone. Connect your iPhone to a charger and let it charge for a few minutes. You can also connect your iPhone to a computer using a compatible cable. Once your iPhone has enough power, check the iPhone unavailable screen again to see if the countdown has resumed. If the problem continues, especially if you're experiencing other battery issues, consider contacting Apple or an authorized service provider to have the battery checked. If these 3 non-destructive methods don't work, you can move on to the next 4 solutions. Keep in mind that the following methods may erase the data on your iPhone. If you have a recent backup, make sure you can restore your data before continuing. Method 4. Use Erase iPhone or Forgot Passcode. If your iPhone is running iOS 15.2 or later and is connected to the internet, you may be able to reset it directly from the lock screen. On the iPhone unavailable screen, check the bottom for the Erase iPhone or Forgot Passcode option. Tap the appropriate option and follow the on-screen instructions to reset your iPhone. When prompted, enter your Apple account password, then confirm the erase. Your iPhone will erase all content and settings and restart automatically. Once it's finished, you can set up your iPhone again. Method 5. Restore your iPhone with Finder, Apple devices, or iTunes. If you don't see the Erase iPhone option or your iPhone can't connect to the internet, you can try restoring it with a computer. Connect your iPhone to a Mac or Windows PC, then open Finder, Apple devices, or iTunes depending on your computer. Next, put your iPhone into recovery mode. Once your computer detects the iPhone, select Restore. Your computer will erase the data on your iPhone and reinstall the appropriate version of iOS. Once the process is complete, you can set up your iPhone again. Method 6. Erase your iPhone remotely with iCloud. Before you begin, make sure Find My is enabled, your iPhone can connect to the internet, and you remember your Apple account login information. First, open a browser and sign in to iCloud. Go to Search. Select your iPhone from the device list and choose Erase. Confirm the action, and wait for the erase process to finish. Once it's complete, the screen passcode will be removed, and you can set up your iPhone again. Method 7. Use TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. TunesKit iPhone Unlocker is designed to help with serious software-related lock issues and supports removing various types of iPhone screen locks, including alphanumeric passcodes, Face ID, and Touch ID. It provides a guided process to help you deal with screen lock issues when you can't access your iPhone normally. First, connect your iPhone to your computer and launch TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. Select Unlock iOS Screen, then click Start. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your iPhone into recovery mode, or DFU mode. Click Next. Check the device information. If anything is incorrect, manually correct it, then click Download to get the appropriate firmware package. Once the firmware package has been downloaded, click Unlock. TunesKit iPhone Unlocker will then start removing the screen lock from your iPhone. In just a few moments, you should be able to access your iPhone again. And that's it. Those are 7 ways to fix an iPhone unavailable timer that isn't counting down. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.